Hello everyone. It's Maddie Azar with Spectrum Art Creations. Today I want to share my Graphic 45 Brand Ambassador Design Team project. It is a book and it requires very basic supplies. Really, almost all you need are things like scissors and glue and a couple of brads. And of course, the magical 12 by 12 Graphic 45 Steampunk Spells paper pad. Certainly, you can make this book using any collection or theme. The steps and the measurements will be the same. You simply pick your favorite paper. If you'd like to make one for yourself, I have created a step-by-step video tutorial which I will link down in the description box, and I do hope that you check it out and make one. This book is full of writing spots, photo mats, and of course, no book is complete without some magical surprises like flips and hidden tuck spots. The album is packed with interactive and interchangeable features, starting with a double front cover on the left-hand side. See there? It's a little hidden gem. The right-hand side features both a tuck spot and a large pocket, which can be filled with photos or maybe some secret notes. We've created a large journaling card, perfect for journaling or photo mounting, as well as a double-sided pull-out trifold. The center panel contains numerous tucks, a double pocket filled with all kinds of ephemera. Of course, it can hold photos, gift cards, additional ephemera, and then those same double pockets store as well a large trifold in the back. It is ready for memories, maybe some secret messages, and maybe a couple of cooking recipes. The pockets, as you can see, are stacked and staggered, and they are plentiful, so you can continue to add on more. And here's a gorgeous trifold with lots of journaling room. Great for memories and photos as well, or messages. Again, keeping in mind that this can be done in any theme. And then on the left hand side, I've created a magic pouch that opens to reveal more surprises with another hidden spot behind it. But honestly, I could barely contain my joy in using the Steampunk Spells Deluxe Collector's Edition. And the reason why is because it's a marriage of whimsy and steampunk with just a pinch of magic. And as you guys know, we love steampunk and we are huge Harry Potter fans. Plus, we love the fun, whimsical, cute side of Halloween, and these colors are just amazing. So it is a great collection to work with. I hope you make one. I really do. And I hope that you leave us a comment and a like. Honestly, your comments mean so much to us. We love to hear from you guys. So do let us know. Do you like it? Do you want to try it? It's simple enough, right? It only requires very basic tools, things like scissors, glue, a couple of brads, and that's about it. The rest of it is super easy to follow along. So I do hope you feel encouraged to try one for yourself. And hey, why not make an extra one? Because the magic of this collection also, or this project, is that you only need a few pages. So you can actually make 2, maybe 3, maybe 4 of these books from just one paper pad alone. So why not make one for yourself and one for gift giving, or a couple for selling as well? Thank you so much for joining us today in the studio. We hope you guys have a wonderful and blessed day, and we will see you all soon.